Today I am reviewing the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you first set eyes on the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor, the first thing that immediately stands out is just how massive and immersive it is. This is not a regular monitor by any means. It is designed to replace a dual monitor setup, and in many cases, it does that job surprisingly well. With its 32:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio and a sharp DQHD resolution of 5120 by 1440, it delivers an experience that feels closer to wrapping your entire field of view in one continuous screen rather than simply placing a display on your desk. Using this monitor for the first time can feel almost overwhelming in a good way. The 49-inch curved panel with a 1500R curvature naturally pulls your eyes into the center of the screen. It creates a sense of depth that flat monitors simply cannot match. Whether you're gaming, working, or multitasking, everything feels more immersive and more engaging. In gaming, this monitor really starts to show its strengths. The 165Hz refresh rate combined with 1 millisecond response time and adaptive sync technology makes motion extremely smooth. Fast-paced games, especially racing games, first-person shooters, or open-world titles, feel fluid and responsive. There is very little noticeable motion blur, and screen tearing is effectively minimized. When you move quickly through environments, the display keeps up without feeling laggy or disconnected from your actions. One of the most impressive aspects of this monitor is how much screen space you actually get. The ultra-wide format allows you to see far more of the game world horizontally compared to a standard 16:9 monitor. In competitive games, this can give a wider field of awareness, but even outside of gaming, it dramatically improves productivity. You can easily have multiple windows open side by side, such as a browser, a document, and a video timeline, all without needing a second monitor. For content creators, developers, or anyone who multitasks heavily, this alone can completely change your workflow. Color performance is another area where the Gawfolk monitor performs quite well. With 120% sRGB color gamut coverage, the display produces vibrant and rich colors. Images and videos look lively without appearing overly artificial. Skin tones, landscapes, and dark cinematic scenes all maintain a good balance of contrast and brightness. The 330 nits brightness combined with a 3000:1 contrast ratio helps maintain detail even in darker scenes, so you don't lose visibility in shadows while watching movies or playing darker themed games. Speaking of contrast, watching films on this monitor feels more cinematic than on a standard screen. The ultra-wide format naturally matches many movie aspect ratios, reducing black bars and filling more of your vision. This makes movie watching feel more like a theater experience, especially when paired with good speakers or headphones. From a productivity standpoint, the monitor is extremely practical. The height adjustment of up to 16 centimeters, along with tilt and rotation options, allows you to position it comfortably for long sessions. This is important because a monitor this large can easily cause discomfort if not properly adjusted. Fortunately, the ergonomic flexibility here helps reduce strain on your neck and eyes during long hours of use. The inclusion of RGB ambient lighting on the back is more of an aesthetic feature, but it does add to the overall setup experience. It can create a subtle glow behind the monitor that enhances immersion during gaming sessions or simply adds atmosphere to your desk setup. It is not essential, but it does make the monitor feel more modern and visually appealing, especially in darker rooms. Connectivity is another strong point. With HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 support, the monitor is well equipped to handle high-resolution, high refresh rate signals without bottlenecking performance. The fact that it includes multiple ports means you can connect a PC, console, or laptop at the same time and switch between them without constantly unplugging cables. This is especially useful if you use the monitor for both work and entertainment. In terms of eye comfort, the monitor includes low blue light technology and flicker-free design. This becomes very important during long sessions. Whether you're working late into the night, gaming for extended periods, or simply watching content, Your eyes feel less strained compared to older or cheaper panels. While no monitor can completely eliminate eye fatigue, this one does a good job of reducing it noticeably. Now, when it comes to overall build and real-world usage, the experience is mostly positive. The sheer size of the display is both its biggest strength and something that requires adjustment. You need a large enough desk and proper distance to fully enjoy it. Once you get used to it, however, going back to a smaller monitor feels very limiting. There's also the question of how practical ultra-wide monitors are for everyone. While gamers, multitaskers, and creative professionals will absolutely benefit from this format, casual users might find it more than they actually need. But for those who understand and want to maximize screen real estate, this monitor delivers a lot of value. Overall, the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved monitor is about immersion, productivity, and visual impact. It transforms your desk into a wide panoramic workspace or gaming station. It is not just a screen. It becomes the centerpiece of your entire setup. If you want a display that enhances multitasking, makes gaming more immersive, and gives you a true ultra-wide cinematic experience, this monitor is a strong contender in its category.